All right, so this is Steve, the Mediocre Maintenance Man. Today, the Mediocre Maintenance Man is up in the attic. You see all around here, we got insulation. It's a little bit scary up here because there's some kind of critter up here that keeps running around and doing stuff while we're trying to sleep in the bedroom. So over there, that's kind of our bedroom area. And he's been rustling around over there and then back over there. So Mediocre Maintenance Man has a plan. Let me show you what the plan involves. So the plan involves one of these lights, and if I fall, it may be because I'm just on the top rung of this ladder here, so we'll see. So I got this light. It's just dangerous. That I'm going to use. I got this clamp light. Usually has like a shroud on the end of it, but I took that off, or actually I bought it and I didn't put it on, came separate. Clamped that on one of these rafters. I've got this little thing here, this tripod, and I've got the main device here, the Ring camera. That's right. All right, I'll tell you about that in a minute. All right, so the plan is to put the Ring camera in the tripod with 6,000 lumens of light up here, and we'll just see who this critter is, what kind of critter it is running around up here, and then we'll see. Next part will be the hunt and the capture. So anyway, I'll show you this setup when I got it all done. All right, so here is the setup now. We have the plug with the 6,000 lumen light. Paid like $3.80 for that at Menards. And then we got the ring hanging up over there. So we got this place under surveillance. I might add another one of these lights too over to get that corner. But I'll post a picture also of the view that I'm getting on that. But that top part, that's kind of the vaulted area of our bedroom. So anything runs across there, we got him.